Oh, let's see how the cheese run on this. Let's take a look at the bottom. Good day, everybody. Welcome to Shanty home, the Chulha queen in Siparia. So I'd like everybody to welcome to my kitchen. Everything steamed to the fireside. So I put some barbecue sauce on it. I put in some cheese, some fresh seasoning over it, some green seasoning, right? Fresh with garlic and everything. And I put them on the barbecue pit, right? So, barbecue sauce first. And nice cheese on it. So anybody interested in this, all you could call Shanty. Shanty number will be 271-6523, and they going by orders, eh? So look at that. So once all you watching all the video and all you see the person without the head tie is not Shanty, eh? Like Shanty mark. She head tie, she mark. Right. It's steamed straight from the fireside, right? Everything steam. Every food all you see cooking here, everything coming straight from the fireside, right? So this is, yeah, I cut it, I put it on the chulha and I half cook it. Then I take it out and I put my cheese and everything. I'm going to let it finish on top of here. I'm not turning this. Some people will turn it, I won't turn it because the cheese is going to fall out. So this is going to cook here now. And I will take it out just now and you're going to see how nice it's coming off. So I'm going to cover it to help melt the cheese there now. This is very important. If you don't have this, it don't make sense. This is get hot real fast. Well, let's see how the cheese run on this. Let's take a look at the bottom. So that is what Shanty is cooking. So this properly, it comes like a baked potato then. Right? Look at that. Properly well cooked. All you watch this. All you feel Shanty don't know she walk, Shanty well know she walk. Nice. Look at that now. Wow. That's going with barbecue chicken. The barbecue a nice some chicken. Wow, look at that. Every piece cook, eh? Real cook. This is what the dot oven doing. Right? So this come like it come from the oven. It nice. I want to turn one so if in case it can't right. Look at that. So let's take a look at the back of it and that is the front. Come here. Look at that. Oh God, you're gonna top the yellow. That's the cheese. Right? So everything coming from there earlier.